Hi, Kelly, I'm very glad to show you how to use Tuya application. First of all, search Tuya Smart in the Apple Store or Google Store to download the Tuya application. And register your user account. One, open application, click to add device. 2. Click Security and Sensor. 3. Select the door lock, Wi-Fi, and then stay on this page. 4. Touch the screen area, press 0+# and input default management password 0123456789#.
Then press 8 down to find network, press # and then 6 inches to keep everything on, then choose reset network, press #.
Five. Then go to Tuya app and press confirm indicator rapidly blink. Six. Select your Wi-Fi and enter your password, press confirm. 7. Then wait about 2 minutes, or a little longer if the network quality is poor, and the lock will connect to Wi-Fi successfully. 8. You can change the lock name on this page. 9. Click here to open the lock directly, or remotely unlock your locks. 10. Press the doorbell, and your app will receive a message. Just click confirm to unlock it. The next page is remote dynamic password. Click here to get your dynamic password. Enter it and unlock it. Finally, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you very much for your support. Wish you a happy life.